Let me breathe this air. You have entered Everest National Nature Reserve. Tibet is amazing. People walk here all the way. What an experience, man. Hey guys, welcome to Desi Girl Traveler and welcome to yet another episode from Tibet. Today is my day 3 here and आज we have to travel quite a lot. So अभी मैं हूँ Girong में. You guys must have watched my previous episode. So from Girong I'm headed to this place called New Tingri. And on the way we have many sightseeing. We are going to see a very beautiful lake. सामान लोड हो रहा है हमारा. Hi Tashi, good morning.
Good morning.
And he is Lobsang. So we are a team of 5 people. Excited about this day? Let's go. So here is a waterfall. It is Kharab Bapchu.
Yeah.
I learned it. Kharab Bapchu. अभी क्योंकि ठंड का टाइम है तो waterfall, the way it falls, इतनी ज़्यादा वो नहीं है, intense नहीं है अभी because of the weather. Okay, it's very very cold. Let's get inside the car. The magic I was waiting for. This is Picoso Lake. Look at the color, such gorgeous turquoise blue. Talking about the elevation, we are at altitude of 4,590 meter. ये लेक 21 kilometers लंबा है, but लगता नहीं है यहाँ से देखो तो. So this side you can see the lake and this side we have all the highest peaks of Tibet.
The mountain peak with a little bit cloud, that one is a Shishapama mountain.
मेरा मन ही नहीं कर रहा यहाँ से जाने का। हवा चल रही है, साई साई साई। वो तो धूप है तो इस वजह से इतनी ठंड नहीं लग रही है, बट हवा काफ़ी तेज़ है। टैक्सी डिले। Can I see this? Look at this, how pretty it is. I spent quite good time here, clicking the pictures and taking the videos, flying the drone. These guys are eating अकेले. I'm starving. खाना दो मुझे. I think altitude has hit me. I'm fumbling. Trip to temples की trip पे आप आओगे. So this is how prepared they are. खाना मिले ना मिले, बनाना मिलेगा ज़रूर खाने के लिए. Chocolate, biscuit, and Lobsang is eating banana. Lobsang doesn't understand English. He speaks only Tibetan. You need to load yourself with carbs at high elevation. Like don't eat too much also that you have problem in digestion. Lower down your intake of protein. आपकी बॉडी को प्रोटीन डाइजेस्ट करने में बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत लगती है और हायर एल्टीट्यूड पे आपको अपनी बॉडी को जितना रेस्ट दे सकते हो उतना देना चाहिए. तो लोड ऑन कार्ब्स एंड वाटर. To have lunch. We are currently at Old Tingri town. यहाँ पे हम लौटते हुए रुकेंगे जब हम EBC वगैरह घूम के आ चुके होंगे. उसके बाद we are going to stay at New Tingri, which is around 60 kilometers from this place. Let's have lunch and I'm hoping to get some vegetarian food here. Hello. So what do we eat? We have fried rice. The fried rice, sticky rice, I'm gonna have it with this chili. It's actually good. Very strong flavor of garlic. So now we drive for another 1.5 hours, 60 kilometers, and then we reach our stay for tonight. So this is where we are going to stay tonight. Omo Langma Hotel Tingri. So this is like a village only. Okay Tashi, good night. See you tomorrow. Thank you, Lobsang.
Exciting photos.
Wow, this is good. And what view do we have? Okay, this is nice. It is such a beautiful room. ऐसी जगहों पे it's like a secluded, isolated place still. It's beautiful, man, the way they have put all the arrangements. I mean, Trip to Temple, of course, for giving the best of the best arrangement. Good morning, guys. So, a new day in Tibet, and today we are leaving from New Tingri, Shigar, to Sigatse. Sigatse is the second largest city in Tibet, and I'm really looking forward to seeing it. Shopodele.
Shopodele, Shopodele.
Shopodele Lobzang, Shopodele.
Shopodele.
Do you remember my name?
Your name?
Yeah,
Priyanka.
Priyanka. Yeah, there's a very famous Bollywood actress, Priyanka Chopra.
Priyanka Chopra.
Yeah.
Your name is Priyanka Chopra.
Yeah. Chokra.
Today we have 240 kilometers to Shigatse, where we stay tonight. Between that, we go to Sakya Monastery.
Nice. And do you remember my name now?
Shankian.
What? I just taught you.
Yeah, just told me.
Priyanka.
Priyanka.
Priyanka. I even have a Buddhist name now. What was that? What did you tell me?
Shankian.
Shankyan. What does it mean?
I don't know.
You guys already know my obsession for the mountain passes. So we have reached at one of the highest passes in Tibet. This is called Gyatsola, and we are currently at an elevation of 5,248 meter. It's freaking cold and windy. Let me breathe. Let me breathe this air. It says you have entered Everest National Nature Reserve. That's the pass. Okay, you can read 5,248 meter Gyatsola mountain, one of the highest one in Tibet. That's the mountain pass. इतना ज़्यादा windy है. It's not advisable to stay here longer. Tashi is tying the flags. Look at the snow-capped mountains. I love mountain passes.
5,248 meters is no problem for you, right?
It's not.
Yeah.
Like I have been to such passes in India,
Right.
but I cannot stay here longer.
Altitude is no problem, but the cold
Yeah.
is a little bit a problem.
But together, the altitude and cold combined,
Yeah.
it becomes a problem.
Yeah.
I know my stamina. At this altitude, I can function for 10 to 15 minutes. My obsession for mountain passes. I call it my Trans-Himalayan God. Thank you so much for bringing me here. So we have reached a monastery, and this monastery belongs to Sakya sect. I thought it's gonna be some small monastery, but it's not. It is huge. And what elevation we are at?
About 4,200 meters.
Okay. This feels like I'm transported to a different era altogether. This has got that vibe, you know, the vibe I was looking for. It's raw, authentic, it's so beautiful.
So this is a Sakya monastery.
Like, I'm awestruck looking at it. Didn't expect it to be so big.
It's in the Sakya sect. In Tibetan Buddhism, we have mainly 40th sect, Nyingma sect, Kagyu sect, Sakya sect, and Gelug sect. This is the mother monastery of the Sakya sect. And built in 11th century. This one is the main temple. What is special inside of this monastery is the palm tree leaf, the writing on palm tree leaves, and handwriting,
Scriptures?
scripture. Yeah, there are a lot of different scriptures. This is one of the biggest library in whole Tibet.
I've been to so many monasteries, but this is entirely different. I just went inside and there is prayer going on. Camera is not allowed inside, and inside there were like big statue of Shakyamuni. Tibet is amazing. It is amazing. Every bit of it. जो भी चीज़ें मैंने अभी तक एक्सपीरियंस की हैं, सारी की सारी चीज़ें इतनी यूनिक. पे कहीं भी अंदर चैपल के जो मेन प्रेयर हॉल्स है वहाँ पे आपको कैमरा अलाउड नहीं है. बट व्हेन आई एम सेइंग दिस, यू गाइज हैव टू बिलीव मी. मैं इंडिया, नेपाल, भूटान के इतने सारे मोनेस्ट्रीज़ में जा चुकी हूँ, बट जो यहाँ का एक्सपीरियंस है ना, वो टोटली अनमैच्ड है. इतनी सारे मोनेस्ट्रीज़ के ऑरा को मैंने फील किया, प्रेयर्स अटेंड करी हैं, बट यहाँ जो मैंने देखा अंदर स्टैचूज़ हैं इतने मैसिव, बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है. एंड देयर सच स्ट्रॉन्ग एनर्जी देयर, यू नो, यू हैव टू कम हियर टू फील इट. इतना अलग है, आई रियली डोंट नो हाउ टू पुट इट अक्रॉस. Oh my God. Wow, what an incredible view. सांसें चढ़ गई चढ़ाई करने में. अपने एलिवेशन पे ना चढ़ाई करने में जान तो निकलती है. People walk here all the way, like इतने ज़्यादा दूर तक, and then take a round. I'm also gonna do that. जितना उपाय करूँगी. It's not that every day I'm gonna be coming back to Tibet and experiencing all these things. जितना हो सकता है I will do. What an experience, man. It is beautiful. So that side you see Mani, इधर snow है. Okay, we still have to walk. I'm again back to being so comfortable. I can breathe. बहुत मज़ा आता है मुझे, एकदम फेफड़े में लगता है कि बिल्कुल आप सांस ले रहे हो. Obviously इतनी बार लद्दाख जा चुकी हूँ, but there are certain places in Tibet जिसकी elevation मेरे लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, first time है. But so far my body is doing good. I'm really proud of myself. Good job. So came to a department store to get some stuff. We are seeing some India products here. We have Appy, Parle, Maharashtra, India.
Oh, in India.
Fruity.
Fruity, yeah, fruity.
We have Rajdhani Poha here. See, that's Rajdhani Poha. Made in India भी है यहाँ पे, ऐसा नहीं है. Tashidile. They are trying to communicate in Tibetan language. She's saying something. I don't understand. This hair is very pretty. Look at the cat. क्या मजे से सो रहे हैं. Now?
Chalo.
चलो जल्दी चलो.
Jaldi. What is jaldi?
Fast, walk fast.
Oh,
जल्दी चलो.
Oh, jaldi. Chalo. Jaldi. Chalo. Maybe you know that song. I think 100% sure you know that. प्यार कैसे होता है?
प्यार कैसे होता है?
चुपके.
You know what does that mean?
I don't know.
Okay, it's asked like how does love happen?
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll just
That's प्यार कैसे होता है?
प्यार कैसे होता है? Okay. प्यार कैसे होता है?
Okay, so we have reached Sigatse and I'm standing in front of Tashi Lumbo Monastery. This is the biggest monastery in Tibet Autonomous Region and there are almost 900 monks who live here.
This monastery is nearly 600 years.
600 years.
Years.
It looks massive. Tashi delay.
Where you from?
394 years old tree. अगर आपको एक different world का experience लेना है ना, then Tibet is your place. Everything here is so raw.
First, I will kind of like chant I'm kidding. Always make fun to my clients with this voice. So inside here is a Panchen Lama, number 10th Panchen Lama, which is one of the greatest Panchen Lama in his lineage. His tomb stupa is inside there, inside of this temple. Number 10th Panchen Lama.
What is Panchen Lama?
Panchen Lama is one of the highest Lama in Tibet. Like Panchen Lama and Dalai Lama, so Panchen Lama is the one of the highest one. And then especially number 10th Panchen Lama, he did so many great things to Tibetan culture. And the founder of this monastery is first Dalai Lama, we call it Gendun Tub. He's the founder of this monastery in 1447. And then later on in the 17th century, number 4th Panchen Lama became the abbot of this monastery, Tashi-Lungpa Monastery. Since 17th century, this monastery, Tashi-Lungpa Monastery, became the seat monastery of Panchen Lama.
If you wish to experience Tibet in the best possible manner, you need Tashi. And in order to get Tashi, you need trip to temples. Okay. See, I am here for the very first time, and you guys already know how much big sucker I am for knowledge, you know. And every time I have asked Tashi a question, he has been able to give me an answer. You are very knowledgeable, I should say that.
Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad, yeah.
Thank you.
Dhanyavad. Stop telling you guys that how different this whole thing is. Not the first time I'm entering a monastery, but entering a monastery in Tibet is a different experience altogether. Anyway, I cannot talk too much on the camera because monasteries mein mostly camera allowed nahi hota hai. So I'm just gonna go inside and pray. See, it's handprints all over.
All over, yeah.
It's been over an hour since we have been walking inside this monastery, and yet we have not seen even 20% of it. बहुत सारे sides पे तो camera allowed भी नहीं है. It is massive. एक अलग ही दुनिया है ये. Literally एक अलग दुनिया है. Welcome in Sigatse, the second largest city in Tibet. होटल अभी चेक इन किया है, सामान अभी बस थोड़ा बहुत अरेंज करती हूँ. I have to charge my camera since we are staying here only for tonight. I got to explore the city. फटाफट से तैयार होती हूँ, कैमरे को चार्ज करती हूँ, and then I'll take you guys around the streets of Sigatse in Tibet. Out for a city walk. This is the hotel we are staying at. It's Zov something. I don't remember the name. Anyway, it's written in Chinese, so I can't read. We have a Pizza Hut here. Next to that, there is KFC. It is cold and windy. वैसे Sigatse is at an elevation of 4,000 meter. और अभी यहाँ पे 4 डिग्री हो रहा है, बट जैकेट वगैरह अच्छे से पहन लो तो इतनी ठंड तो नहीं है. सिटी यार, मस्त वाइब है, पता है इतनी खूबसूरत जगह है ये स्किन केयर या कॉस्मेटिक्स के जितने शॉप्स दिख रहे हैं ना, मन तो कर रहा है जाके अंदर शॉपिंग कर लूँ, बट सी लैंग्वेज। What I'm thinking is at this elevation, like 4,000 meter altitude पे ट्रांस हिमालय के बिल्कुल बीचों बीच एक सिटी है, और वो भी छोटी सी सिटी नहीं, सच अ बिग सिटी, वेल established सिटी। Such tiny oranges. How much money? 2 yuan? 2 yuan for these oranges. Look at the banana. This? भाषा एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है। फ़ोन कवर ही खरीद लेती हूँ। No, there is 16 Pro Max. This, how much? 50. Okay, just 600. इससे तो सस्ता इंडिया में ही है यार। This?
This is
That's nice actually.
US is you.
149. Okay. 400 yuan, which is comes to 4,800 Indian rupees. Okay, got into the store to do some shopping, but everything seems expensive only. Like India से कुछ सस्ता अभी तक तो नहीं मिला है मुझे। और anyway, I'm बस window shopping कर रही हूँ मैं। I'm waiting to do all my shopping in Lhasa. तो मैं बस प्राइस का आइडिया ले रही हूँ। एक्चुअली ये सिटी अभी इतनी ज़्यादा क्राउडेड नहीं है, बिकॉज सीज़न टाइम नहीं है, ये ऑफ सीज़न शुरू हो चुका है। दैट्स वाई यू सी द एम्प्टी स्ट्रीट्स एंड ऑल। अदरवाइज यू कैन इमेजिन दिस इज द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट सिटी in Tibet, so it will be very crowded. Shopping wise it is expensive so far, but I have realized. यहाँ पे ना जैसे लोग रुक के हाय हेलो कर रहे हैं, फ़ोटोज़ ले रहे हैं, इनसे कह रहे हैं कि यू आर वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। जैसे इंडिया में हम लोग फॉरेनर्स को इतना प्यार देते हैं, रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं, सेम वे यू नो इवन हियर पीपल आर वेरी एक्साइटेड लुकिंग एस इंडियंस यू नो। तो मज़ा आया सिगात्से में नाइट वॉक करते हुए। सिटी इज़ बिग बट हमारे पास टाइम कम है एंड वी रीच्ड आवर होटल। तो अब रूम के अंदर चलते हैं। Got back to my room and यहाँ पे मैं ये वाला vlog अब ख़त्म करती हूँ। So the experience of exploring Tibet has been amazing so far with trip to temples. सारी चीज़ें जो भी अरेंजमेंट उन्होंने की है काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी की है। Tibet is a different world altogether. You got to experience it at least once. That's exactly even I wanted, you know. मुझे इस लैंड से लगे ट्रांस हिमालयस वाली रीजन से इतना प्यार है एंड आई रियली वांटेड टू सी कि तिब्बत कैसा होगा। 4 दिन हो चुके हैं यहाँ पे और सो फार एवरीथिंग हैज़ बीन अमेजिंग, बट आवर अल्टीमेट गोल इज़ टू रीच एवरेस्ट बेस कैंप। सो टुमारो मॉर्निंग वी आर लीविंग फ्रॉम सिगात्से and going to Lhasa, and we are staying in Lhasa for 3 nights and I am really looking forward to my stay in Lhasa. काफ़ी सुने हैं Lhasa के बारे में। If any of you would like to travel to Tibet, then you can contact Trip to Temples team. I have done my Kailash Mansarovar aerial darshan yatra with them this year only, like in the beginning of the year. This is my second time traveling with them, and even first time it was amazing. This time also it has been amazing. And anyway, I don't think so कोई भी कंपनी अभी फ़िलहाल इंडिया में तिब्बत के ट्रिप्स करवा रही हैं। तो this is your chance to travel to Tibet. Consider it in your travel bucket list. If you have the money, if you have the time, then you should definitely do that. And I hope you're enjoying this Tibet series. and we have more content coming up. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Until then, bye bye.